If you're running a business in Kenya, you are supposed to file for KRA or be fined. So today I'll show you how to file KRA Turnover Tax in Kenya. So first you log in with your KRA PIN and password. Click Returns, then select Return. In the tax obligation, you'll choose Income Tax Turnover Tax and click Next. Read the turnover tax form, steps to follow, and download the Income Tax Turnover Tax form. It will be downloaded as a zipped file in your Downloads folder. Make sure you extract the form in the Downloads folder. Then open it. Enable editing and fill in your PIN number and other details. So on the type of return, select Original. Enter the correct return periods and select No on the partnership cell. Click Next to go to Section B. In Section B, don't fill anything, just click Next. In Section C, click Next again to go to Section D, where you will type your turnover for the period and Excel will calculate the net tax payable. Click Validate and a zip file will be downloaded to your PC in your documents. Upload the zipped file, then make sure you mark your agree to the terms and conditions, then click Submit. At this point, your return receipt is already generated and you can download it and print it. Now click Payment as shown with the red mark. Payment information will be displayed, so all you have to do is add payment details and the total amount to be paid will be reflected. On payment mode, choose Other Payment Mode and Submit. Now download the payment slip which has all the details on how to pay, like pay bill and account number to be used. After paying, an email will be sent to you. Remember, turnover tax is due every month. Don't miss to apply for your tax. Don't miss to do your returns. Now subscribe to Mediacliq for simple guides that will save you money. If you need any assistance, just contact us via our WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video.